strafing maneuver.
Here's the robot Biff driving around in the water in the dark. You'll notice that Biff is quite maneuverable. The white light is in the back, the aft. It just indicates that power is on. So Biff can dive.
Biff can go under things.
Biff is going underneath the chlorine dispenser. Whoa, Biff disappeared. Come back, Biff. It's a little dark out here. We need more light.
You're forgetting the lights at the back.
Yes. Here comes Biff.
Biff needs some trim adjustment. And the program.
Yeah, we discovered that the starboard side was a bit heavy, so we added some lightning consisting of an old
This is Biff diving.
drink bottle.
And Biff coming back up there. Is he faster forwards or backwards?
Should be the same.
It cuts out every now and then. For just a second.
That's good for you. Builds character.